All right, this is kind of scary. We got this beautiful fully loaded Camaro in for a wiring rescue. And then we start taking it apart. As you can see, it's a wiring mess back here. So I come to the fuse holder to pull the fuses out so we can remove the equipment, and I notice there are none. Because the amplifiers are drawing an excessive amount of current, ended up, I'm assuming, blowing the fuse and melting the fuse holder. So then whatever shop did the job just pulled the wires out from this side and threw them in on this side. So now there is no protection at all between the amp and the battery. So there's no protection of keeping this car from catching on fire. Scary. All right, Pee-wee's gonna show you guys what a great job they did of mounting and hiding the amplifier in this car. Go ahead and pull that panel. That carpeted panel, pull it towards you. That is beautiful, pull that up. We got some glue, some cardboard. Wow. See, some towels to stop the rattle. Wow, that's nice. Okay, we found some more stupid going on here. You're supposed to ground within 16 inches. You're supposed to add a fuse within 16 inches of the battery, where here we have 24 inches of cable and no fuse. I'm not surprised at that. I guess this customer wasn't worth the ring terminal. So here's our connection at the battery. Wire just smashed in there with no ring terminal. This is another one of my pet peeves. I guess they couldn't afford black ground wire, so they just put a boatload of tape on it and just smashed it under the factory bolt when the battery's just 6 inches away. So why not take it directly from the battery instead of catching it at the post here where the car's grounded? So you're interfering with the ground going from the battery to the car when you could just go directly to the battery. Just a lot of stupid going on here.